express 0.14 in the form of p by q. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal and write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. 1 for 10, then 4 for 10. After decimal, we have 2 digits, we have written 210. Now we need to reduce this fraction. How to do that? Okay, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the common number, which is called factor. This is divisible by 2, this is divisible by 2. If you divide this by 2, you will get 7. If you divide this 10 by 2, you will get 5. 5 over 5 times 10, 50. This 7 is a prime number because it has just two factor, 1 and 7. S- i- Since 7 is a prime number, so the common factor between 7 and 50 is just 1. And if you divide this 7 by 1, you'll get 7. If you divide 50 by 1, you'll get 50. So this is the lowest term or reduced form.